Intro. Keto, low-carb healthy meal prep for the week. They'll keep you feeling full for hours. Unless you've been hibernating without internet access for the past 2 years, you're sure to have heard of the keto diet. You know, the one that every second personal trainer and Insta-famous wellness guru recommends for quick weight loss. Its booming popularity means that you probably know someone who's trying it, or you might even be trying it yourself. If so, you could be on struggle street when it comes to packing a nutritious lunch every day, and that's why I'm here to help. For those who are unaware, the ketogenic diet is super low in carbs, so low, in fact, that your body enters a state of ketosis, i.e. fat burning, because there is no available glucose or glycogen from carbohydrate, which, FYI, is your body's preferred source of fuel. The diet has been hailed as a miracle cure for a range of health woes, but is most popular for its ability to kickstart weight loss. With my dietitian cap on, however, I'd like to throw my 2 cents in and send out a word of warning. As you can probably appreciate, a diet so low in carbohydrate is rather restrictive, with healthy whole grains, most fruits, milk, yogurt, legumes and starchy veg off the menu. That's a real worry, as your diet can become deficient in many nutrients, like gut-loving fiber, bone-strengthening calcium and energizing iron, to name a few. If you've already gone ahead with the ketogenic diet, though, I know I'm probably not going to change your mind easily. What I can do, however, is help you make the most of your chosen diet, and that brings me back to today's topic. So, without further ado, here's a few healthy lunches you can take to work that are keto-friendly, and no, they're not chock full of bacon or butter. 1. Tuna in olive oil and avocado salad. All staples in my own kitchen, these ingredients provide healthy fats that support your heart and brain, plus, they'll keep you feeling full. 2. Pesto zoodles and meatballs. Instead of pasta, spiralize zucchini for a lighter batch of noodles. It'll help you reach your 5 serves of veg for the day and contribute a dose of fiber. 3. Frittata muffins. The perfect meal to prep ahead of time. Simply chop all the veggies in your crisper and fold them through a bunch of whisked eggs. Then divide the mixture into a muffin tray and top with Parmesan cheese. Voila! 4. Grilled salmon salad with avocado. Another source of healthy fats to support your heart and brain, leftover grilled salmon on a bed on non-starchy veg and avocado is a perfect no-fuss lunch at work. 5. Lettuce cups. If you're looking to cut down on bread, a lettuce cup can be an easy idea. You can fill it with salad and any of your usual sandwich fillings, think tuna, chicken or eggs, or get a little creative and try minced meat with lots of hidden veggies. Subscribe.